I'm one of the managers at the AGCO warehouse in Ennery. In my current role, I'm also responsible for safety. AGCO is a big fan of new technologies. We have a few high-tech tools inside the warehouse. Having something like the simulator felt naturally appealing to us. On top of that, it offers real benefits because we can record training actions as they happen. We can measure what we do. So, it's definitely a tool that fits perfectly with the times.
Let me give you an overview of what we're going to cover together. For your practice exercises, there will be load plate exercises. The simulator helps us work on more complex scenarios than what we can usually do in the field.
If I add my total unladen weight to my load, I'm under 5,000 kilograms, so I can do it. I'm at 4,300. I think it's easier to understand on screen with explanations compared to the training center when I did it on paper, which isn't always clear because you can't really see much. I found it more engaging.
I found it more engaging. I learned the old way before, but now with the simulator, I'm learning new things, and that's great. I can see the risks, and the entire program we're shown is very well designed.
I found the graphics very realistic, and I think it's quite easy to handle as well.
Before, I needed to keep operators for at least 2 full days, whereas with the simulator, it's done in a day and a half. The simulator saves me time in my own work for the training center. We can have one person on the simulator while others are in the classroom. For example, doing theory. We always start with classroom theory, which lasts about a day, and then they spend roughly 3 hours on the simulator doing complete exercises. We have a few key elements that can really create a wow effect for visitors, and the simulator is one of them. It was tested by the VP. A few months ago, the SVP tried it, and the CEO tried it too, so it's definitely something unique we use. We go for that wow effect.